Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the Thanos snap to dust disintegration effect on TikTok using Capcut. If you're new here on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So in this effect, you have the subject disintegrating into dust and then reappearing back again. So let me show you how to create this video trend. So before you create this video trend, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free app from your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download it. Once that's downloaded, go ahead and open up TikTok. And now here, tap on search and you're searching for Effieto Thanos Capcut. So I'll put this on the screen. Go ahead and search for that. And within the search result, you're looking for the video there doing the trend. So for example, this one here, this one's doing the trend. So go ahead and tap on the one that is doing the trend. So as you can see, this effect disintegrates the subject and turns it into an anime character. Now here on this video, you're looking for Capcut try this template, which is here at the bottom left, which will appear as well just above the username. Go ahead and tap on that. Now this will show you the template. So go ahead and tap on use template in Capcut. Now this will open up Capcut and again it'll show you the template. Tap on use template at the bottom right. So now you want to go ahead and select an image. It'll only let you choose one images. So it'll only let you choose one image. Please note you need to have a subject in the image. And there you go, it's created the video trend where the subject disintegrates into dust and then returns back into an anime character. So once you're happy with that, tap on add sound at the top right. This will now export the video and send it over to TikTok. And it'll automatically add the trending sound to that effect. Now once you're happy with that, tap on next and then post it on TikTok. And there you go, that is how to create the Thanos snap to dust disintegration effect on TikTok using Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.